Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts, and we're making some videos about the 10 things you should know before you buy windows. Number 7, do I pay cash or do I finance? So, okay, here's one of the things that a lot of window companies will do to try to reel you in, right? You've looked at their windows, you've looked at their prices, you've compared, and then you've questioned everything and you've investigated it even further, and they want to sweeten the pot. I've seen offers that you wouldn't believe. Like there's a company right here locally that says you can get 48 months, 0% financing. Oh my gosh, 48 months, 0% financing? Well, no, it's because you have such great credit. No, it's not. It's because they bake the price of the financing into the cost of the window. By the way, you'll probably notice that company that had 48 months financing, they were the highest bid you got. Well, you know why? They included the interest rate in there. They had to buy the rate down to 0 in order to do that for you. Now, what's the benefit to paying with a check or cash over financing? Well, most window companies like us, we offer a discount if you decide to pay with cash, a check, versus say a credit card or financing, because there are costs associated with financing. But we do know that sometimes people need financing, but predatory financing? No, that's not good. It's deception. It's not something you want to do over a long period of time because it'll really, really cost you up front. In fact, think about it. It usually costs about 18 to 20% to give you 4 years. If you took the 20% from a window project, let's say it was $20,000 out of $100,000, and you put it into an interest account earning decent money for 4 years, how much money would that be? That's exactly how much money you spent and how much money you lost. So here's what I want to tell you. I had a solar company come out to my house. I was just curious about solar, right? The largest solar company in the United States since went out to my house. And they kept talking about, we have a 2.99% rate. And I started investigating that further. And I said, did you have to pay to get my rate lower? They came right out and said, yes, we had to pay the finance company to get it lower. I was surprised they even told me that. But then I started doing the math, and you know what? They said it's a 25-year loan. And they started at $86,000. When they were done to $40,000 if I was willing to write a check instead of finance. I got to thinking about it. That same $40,000 in an interest account at 4% was more money than they were going to save me over 25 years in my light bill. So you got to think about these things. Before you make a final decision, think about, do I finance or do I pay with a check? There's benefits to both, but don't get the predatory financing. I think you'll regret it. Okay, so if you're looking for a great window company near you, go to jeffslist.com. We know a lot of great window companies all around the country. Thanks for watching and have a great day.